Spring is the perfect time to renew your garden with fresh blooms and lively colors. Think about planting tulips, daffodils, hyacinths, and cherry blossoms. Decorate with pastel-colored outdoor furniture, floral garden ornaments, and charming birdhouses. Use hanging baskets filled with cascading flowers and fairy lights for a magical touch. Incorporate herbs and vegetable patches for a functional garden that's both beautiful and useful. Spring garden decor symbolizes renewal and sets a cheerful tone. Into the world of modern indoor shelf decor, showcasing innovative ideas to transform your space. Shelves are more than just storage. They're a canvas to express your style and personality. Whether you prefer minimalist aesthetics or eclectic vibes, there's a perfect shelf decor idea for everyone. We'll explore various ways to style your shelves with trendy decor pieces, DIY crafts, and thoughtful arrangements. Get ready to elevate your home's ambience with these creative tips. Adding greenery to your shelves instantly brings life and freshness into your indoor space. Small potted plants like succulents, cacti, or air plants are perfect for shelf decor because they require minimal maintenance. Hanging planters or wall-mounted plant holders can also add visual interest. Use stylish pots in metallic, ceramic, or matte finishes to complement your overall decor theme. Greenery introduces a natural element that balances modern aesthetics with a touch of nature. For a cohesive look, select plants with similar colors or textures, or create a layered arrangement with varying heights. Not only do plants enhance the visual appeal, but they also improve indoor air quality. Incorporating greenery is an easy, cost-effective way to make your shelves more inviting and lively. To create a dynamic and visually appealing shelf display, mix different textures and materials. Combine smooth ceramics with rough wood, shiny metals with matte finishes, or soft textiles with hard surfaces. For example, pair a glossy vase with a rustic wooden box or a plush decorative item with sleek, metallic accents. This contrast adds depth and interest to your shelves, making the arrangement more captivating. Layering different textures also prevents the decor from looking flat or monotonous. Think about incorporating woven baskets, fabric-covered books, or textured wall art alongside your decorative objects. Experimenting with materials allows you to personalize your space and reflect your unique style. Remember, in modern decor, balance is key. Avoid clutter, and let each piece stand out. While aesthetics are important, your shelves should also be functional. Balance decorative items with practical storage solutions. Use stylish baskets, boxes, or trays to store small items out of sight but within reach. Incorporate open storage for frequently used items like books or decorative accessories. Keep heavier or larger items on the lower shelves for stability. Combining beauty with practicality ensures your shelves are both attractive and useful. Avoid overcrowding by leaving some empty space, which enhances the modern minimalist look. Remember, the goal is to create a space that's visually appealing and easy to maintain. Regularly update your decor to keep the shelves fresh and aligned with your evolving style.